I did too.
Huh?
I did too.
Yeah, me too. You too? Me too. At least we should be honest. Yeah. He is.
I asked Paul for some Swiffer pads and wet jet. I'm gonna try to ask him if he's around.
That wasn't huge. That's disgusting.
I know, that's why I need some Swiffer pads and wet jet.
Whatever you do, don't just spend birthday money.
No, I won't.
Someone just slapped you.
No, that's my back.
I didn't know.
I'm not gonna spend birthday money on that. No.
Scare me like that.
If I get any birthday money, no.
I can't go out there. I'm afraid someone's gonna hurt me.
I know. I don't go out there. No. No, I know.
Yeah, like these, so it's unsafe. How do they do that?
They do.
Lucky.
I have to clean this up somehow. I'll figure out a way to clean it. I do the floors every couple weeks. At least this is tile, it'll all come right up.
You praying for me.
I did. This will all come right up and with the mop, with the Swiffer.
Or sounds like you need a half a carton of Marlboro Reds.
I know. I will.
Some maybe old furniture. Oh, I get it right there.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.